What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, the place where classic heritage meets futuristic innovation in the automotive world. Today we're taking a closer look at a truck that has shaped generations, a nameplate that started it all for Ford pickups and has now been reborn in a way no one expected, the all-new 2026 Ford F-1 pickup. This isn't just a truck, it's a revival of history, a bold move that bridges the gap between Ford's iconic past and the future of performance, utility, and technology. The very first thing that grabs your attention with the 2026 F-1 is its design. Ford has gone for a retro-inspired look with modern touches that make it truly unique on the road. The front grille takes inspiration from the original 1948 F-1 but is updated with a wider stance, LED signature lighting, and aerodynamic enhancements that make it both aggressive and efficient. The squared-off body lines give it that classic truck personality, while sleek curves and lightweight aluminum construction remind you that this is a thoroughly modern machine. It's a perfect mix of old-school charm and cutting-edge styling. Under the hood, Ford has packed the F-1 with performance options that appeal to every type of driver. You can go with a traditional twin-turbo V6 that delivers incredible power and fuel efficiency, or opt for the available V8 engine for those who crave raw muscle and a deep exhaust note that echoes classic American truck heritage. But Ford didn't stop there. The 2026 F-1 also comes in a hybrid option in a fully electric variant, showing that Ford is serious about giving drivers both power and sustainability. The electric F-1 in particular is a game changer, offering instant torque, incredible towing capability, and zero emissions, making it perfect for both work and play in the modern era. Inside the cabin, the Ford F-1 brings comfort and technology to a whole new level. You're greeted with premium seating options, a massive 14-inch infotainment screen with the latest sync system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital driver display that you can customize to show everything from navigation to performance stats. The interior combines rugged durability with upscale design, featuring leather accents, brushed aluminum trim, and a spacious layout that makes long drives or tough jobs more enjoyable. Ford also made sure to include the latest driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and even Blue Cruise, Ford's semi-autonomous driving system for highways. Utility has always been at the heart of the F-Series, and the F-1 pickup continues the tradition with modern versatility. The truck bed is designed with built-in power outlets, multiple tie-down points, and a powered tailgate that doubles as a workbench. Whether you're hauling construction gear, towing a trailer, or setting up camp in the middle of nowhere, the F-1 has the tools to get it done. Plus, with its available 4x4 system, off-road packages, skid plates, and adaptive suspension, this truck isn't afraid to get dirty. It's ready for trails, mud, snow, or whatever adventure you throw at it. Another key highlight is the focus on connectivity and sustainability. Ford has introduced advanced over-the-air updates, meaning your truck can get better with time as new features and improvements roll out. Combine that with an efficient hybrid or electric setup, and you've got a truck that doesn't just perform today but is also future-proof for the roads ahead. The 2026 Ford F-1 pickup is more than a truck, it's a statement. It honors Ford's legendary past while pushing boundaries into the future with design, technology, and performance. For drivers who want nostalgia with innovation, strength with sustainability, and heritage with modern power, the F-1 is truly a dream come true. So, car enthusiasts, what do you think of this bold revival? Has Ford nailed the perfect blend of past and future with the 2026 F-1, or do you think it's too much of a gamble? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates from the world of cars. Until next time, this is Car Trend bringing you the best of classic legends and modern marvels, signing off. Oncoming car fire.